Wales. Beautiful. Awe-inspiring. Lush. It's a nation to explore. A nation of walking. Footpaths, new and old, are the connecting routeways that join our communities and people together. Over 20,000 miles of public rights-of-way that guide walkers towards natural beauty, good health and friendship. But with this public access comes a challenge. Our recent research shows there are hundreds of missing or broken signs to paths, meaning that people are losing access and pathways are at risk of becoming hidden or worse, lost forever. At Ramblers Cymru, we believe that everyone has the right to enjoy the outdoors and the right to know where they can go. Our volunteers work closely with local authorities and councils to monitor, clear and repair pathways. We want to see walking at the heart of communities so that everyone can explore the areas they love. Since 1935, the Ramblers have been protecting public rights-of-way. And we will continue to campaign to save these networks.